Hello everyone, this is Raza from India, and today we are going to talk about a fragrance from the house of Montblanc. As we all know that Montblanc is most famous for its pen, and they are the one of the best, if not the best, pen manufacturers in the world. And I have also tried some of their pens, and they are obviously most premium, very luxury pen, and they are the German based brand, but they have also given some good fragrances, some good perfumes as well, time and again, and it is one of them. So it's a female fragrance, it's Montblanc from Individual. So it was released way back in 2004, and it is a not very popular fragrance among the fragrance lovers, and it is a kind of oriental floral fragrance, but I would say it's more towards a soft spicy side. So it has a character, it is somewhat unique, and it is kind of a statement, this fragrance, believe me, and this is not very popular. So today we will talk about all those things about this fragrance. So first talk about its presentation part. So this is the 75 ml box. So this is the packaging, you can see the box. This is a very textured design on the top, and it is 75 ml, 2.5 fluid ounces. The name of the perfume, Femme Individuelle, and this is from the house of Montblanc, their logo as well. It is in EDT concentration, eau de toilette, and nothing on top, nothing on left, nothing on right, and in the bottom you will get some batch code and other informations and ingredients as well. It is in the back, you will get, it is made in France, although it is a German based brand, but this perfume is manufactured in France, Paris. So this was all about its box, very nice box. And now come towards its bottle. This bottle design is really good, but there is a downside to this design. It looks really good, but as you can see, the glass is very thick in the bottom, but towards the top edges, towards right and left side, the glass is quite thin. So if you will accidentally drop it like this or like that, so it might break. So you have to be very cautious while handling this, because the glass is quite thin at the top. In the back, on the back, it is quite thick, as you can see, but you have to be careful. And this is Montblanc, again their logo, Femme Individuelle. This is the atomizer, and on the back you can see all the batch code and made in France and all those sort of things. And this is the cap with the logo on the top, and it fits quite nicely. You can hold it even like that, and you can just vigorously shake it, no problem with that. So you can easily hold it with the cap, it won't you won't drop it. So, and this is the atomizer, as you can see, and let's shoot some spray. Nice atomizer, and there is some chrome metallic finish at the top as well. So first talk about its notes. So it has a very sharp pink pepper note in the top, with a red currant, and as well as some black currant, which is not officially mentioned, but I have got a somewhat black currant, as well as some sweet tobacco. You will instantly get something, a very hookah bar kind of vibe at the very top. So, and the pink pepper, it's somewhat harsh right at the opening. Many people might not even like the harsh opening, but as it settles, you will get a very nice rose and lotus and some other floral note, with some vanilla sweetness in the heart. Still you can get the pink pepper. So the mid is very nice, which is somewhat spicy, very soft spicy, not very offensive, not very dark, not very rich, not very deep as well. So you will get a very soft spicy pink pepperish, with hint of floral, rose, and I think Bulgarian rose, or with some lotus accord. So in the mid you will get floral as well as some soft spicy accord with hint of sweet tobacco as well as vanilla. And in the base, as the pink pepper will just starts vanishing, what lingers on your skin will be some vanilla sweetness as well as musk and patchouli. So it was all about its notes. Now let's talk about its performance is really good. If you will apply it on the skin, it will easily last for around 6 to 8 hours, easily last more than 6 to 7 hours. So I would give 9.5 out of 10 for its performance, considering it is not a dark rich typical winter fragrance. So the performance is really good, considering it as a oriental floral fragrance. The performance is really good. The projection is again really good. It projects for around 5 to 6 feet, and I will give it a 8.5 out of 10 for its projection part. The sillage is also quite strong, and I will give 9 out of 10 for its sillage. So what is the ideal time to wear this? In my opinion, except during the sunny days, except during the heat, you can pull it off at any season, anytime. It is quite versatile in my opinion in that terms as well, and it is ideal for the mature ladies, but teenagers can also pull it off because it has a personality, it has a boss kind of feeling. So if you are a lady and if you are a boss at your office and if you are a businesswoman, it is best suited to your personality in my opinion, because it is really very dominant female fragrance. It is a kind of, it has some mature vibe as well, and it has a statement. So it is really great. Now considering the complement factors, as I have already told, it is soft spicy with floral touch and some sweetness with vanilla, and it is kind of easy to like kind of fragrance, except the little pink pepperish sharpness at the top, which some of us might not even like. But once it settles, it's a great fragrance and easy to like kind of fragrance, and it is unique as well. So it's a great compliment getter. So as far as the compliment part is concerned, I would say I will give 9 out of 10 for its compliment factors. It's a great compliment getter fragrance, not a compliment beast like other sweet fragrances, but still you will get good compliments. It is very nice, catchy, attention grabbing kind of fragrance, and it is unique, somewhat unique I would say. And as far as the price to value point is considered, I would say the price to value, as it is currently discounted, you will get around 30% discount at Shoppers Stop. You will get this 7500 ml, which is priced at 5100 Indian rupees. You will get around 3600 odd rupees. So if you will get at this price at 30% discount, the price to value is quite good. I would give 10 out of 10 if you are getting a discounts, which is currently going on at Shoppers Stop. So you can just go there and you can try this. It's a really good fragrance. Now coming to the alternatives, so this fragrance has somewhat similar to the discontinued Miracle Forever from the house of Lancome, and it is somewhat also similar to the Angel Muse from the house of Thierry Mugler. So you can, if you can get those fragrances, but I believe the Miracle Forever was quite more sharp and more spicy as compared to this. So Angel Muse is a great alternative, but again, all the Thierry Mugler fragrances are I would say reformulated at this time, because the house Thierry Mugler is not manufacturing perfumes right now. This is that brand Thierry Mugler is now purchased by the L'Oréal. So all those fragrances are reformulated at this point of time. So I won't suggest those fragrances because most of them has been reformulated and most of them has lost its character. So you can check this. So I have already told about the other alternatives. Now the final wording. So if you are looking for a soft, spicy, floral, somewhat unique with a somewhat sweet with a kind of dominant female fragrance with a stylish statement, this might be the right choice for you. So thank you. This was all about the Montblanc Femme Individuelle.